Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change your phone number on Twitter on desktop. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Your Account. Your account settings page will open. Click on Account Information. Enter your password and click Confirm to continue. Now click on Phone field. Click on Update phone number. Enter your password again and click Next. Select your country code. Now enter your new phone number. You may select the additional settings if you want. Click Next. Click OK to proceed. A verification code will be sent to your new phone number. Enter it here. Click Verify. That's it, your phone number has been changed. This is how you can change your phone number on Twitter on desktop. Thank you for watching.